that hearing, but also the civil societies are now threatening to go to court over what they term as the government's reluctance to operationalize the Public Benefit Organization PBO Act. The act, which was consented to in 2013 by former President Mwai Kibaki, safeguards civic space and human rights.
That we filed a petition to the CS of Interior. We give him a notice of 1 month to commence the act because of all these decisions which have been made in Parliament and in court, failure to which we'll file a censure motion before the National Assembly for him to be held to account. Because basically there are no reasons for failure to commence the PBO Act. It's just basically impunity which our governments are used to.
It's an important moment for us in Kenya, Africa and the Global South to have this very important conference which is starting tomorrow, and to reflect on very important global issues which are shaping our livelihoods, which are shaping the global geopolitical interactions, and particularly thinking about the implementation of the Agenda 2030 and the Summit of the Future.
We're here with this incredible representation today of Kenya's civil society to talk about how we can shape the conversation at the global level, how we can renew trust and diversify the voices that are coming to bear on the big questions affecting the planet. We're talking about global peace and security, we're talking about sustainable development, we're talking about the digital future, we're talking about youth and future generations, so we secure a planet for future generations. And then underneath all of that, we're talking about how the architecture of global governance needs to evolve and change. You know that.
Meanwhile, Manyata Member of Parliament Gitonga Mukunji has called on political leaders who benefited from the Uwezo Fund to repay the money they